was simply grinding meat and packaging it. Today's video will open up a whole other world before your eyes, a world of scale, speed, automation, and above all, huge technology investments in the livestock and food processing industry. The journey begins with giant pig farms, where each pig is monitored from birth to adulthood. Every meal, every sleep, every vaccination, all are controlled by smart sensors and real-time data. The statistics are accurate to every gram of food or every drop of water, showing a level of care that is no less than that of a hospital or luxury hotel. After months of strict care and monitoring, qualified pigs will be transported to automated slaughterhouses, where every step from stunning, butchering, sorting, and cleaning takes place quickly and accurately down to the second. Here, qualified pork blocks will be sent straight to the sausage processing factory, where the most advanced technologies in the world food industry are gathered. We will witness production lines operating continuously 24 hours a day, with hundreds of robots and specialized machinery systems serving only one task: creating billions of sausages each year. From the meat grinding, seasoning, mixing, shaping, cooking, cooling, to packaging, all are controlled by a central computer system and strict hygiene surveillance cameras. But the amazing thing is not just the scale. Each step is optimized to minimize waste, save energy, and ensure absolute food hygiene and safety. The finished sausages must undergo a series of strict inspections, from weight, elasticity, color, to microbiological analysis, taste testing. Only the most perfect products are packaged and shipped to consumers around the world as soon as they are born. Each piglet is marked and fitted with an electronic chip to track the entire development journey throughout its life. On modern industrial farms, pig farming is no longer just a profession based on folk experience, but a true science, where big data technology, artificial intelligence, AI, and IoT, Internet of Things, systems combine to optimize livestock performance. In modern closed barns, temperature, humidity, light, and air quality are all strictly controlled by automated systems. A series of sensors are installed throughout the barn to monitor the health status, eating behavior, and even the mood of the pigs. If a pig suddenly eats less than usual or lies down for too long, the system will immediately send a warning to the veterinary department, allowing timely intervention before the disease spreads. Sows are selected and bred according to high standards, ensuring good fertility, strong immunity, and low disease incidence. Each reproductive cycle is monitored through digital data. After birth, piglets are fed with their mother's milk and supplemented with special micronutrients to boost their immune system. After a few weeks, they are transferred to large pens, where each row of pens can hold up to thousands of piglets. While still ensuring the highest standards of hygiene and animal welfare, pig feed is also an important step in the industrial farming system. It is not the hand-mixed bran as before, but the formulas designed by nutritionists. Each age, each growth stage has its own type of feed, rich in protein, vitamins, minerals and essential amino acids. The automatic feed system operates according to pre-programmed hours. ensuring adequate rations while minimizing loss. Drinking water for pigs is filtered by a high-standard filter system, and can be drunk directly without boiling. In the summer, the automatic misting system will cool the entire barn, helping the pigs to be comfortable and grow steadily. In the winter, the heating system will keep the temperature at an ideal level so that the pigs are not stressed or sick. Veterinarians on the farm do not need to check each barn as before. Now, just sitting in the central control room, the veterinarian can monitor the entire status of the pigs through the display screen. If there are any abnormalities, they will immediately send staff to check directly. This saves time, reduces the risk of infection, and increases the effectiveness of disease treatment. After more than 5 months of raising, pigs that reach the ideal weight of 100 to 120 kilograms will be selected to be transferred to the slaughterhouse every day. The system can process thousands of pigs, but thanks to automatic sorting and transport technology, there is no crowding or screaming like in traditional slaughterhouses. Before being loaded onto the transport vehicle, the pigs are allowed to rest, eat enough meals and are not psychologically disturbed. This not only ensures animal welfare, but also helps to optimize meat quality, no stress leading to bad meat and loss of nutritional value. The specialized trucks that transport pigs to the factory are specially designed. Equipped with air conditioning, anti-slip floors and ventilation systems. Each vehicle is equipped with a GPS chip to track the journey, avoiding sudden stops or sudden temperature changes that could affect the health of the pigs. Upon arrival at the factory, the pigs are taken to the stunning area, where CO2 gas anesthesia technology is applied to ensure humane procedures. From here, the fully automated slaughter process will take place quickly and accurately. The pig's body is hung upside down on a steel hook, and the automatic cutting system will handle each step: bleeding, cleaning, skinning, cutting, and sorting. The blood, organs, and skin will be transferred to separate processing units. The lean meat, the main ingredient for making sausages, will be classified according to quality, freshness, and leanness. Each batch of meat will be barcoded. Storing all information about its origin, from which farm, slaughter date, quarantine results, all are digitized and stored for retrieval at any time. This is the biggest difference between modern industrial sausage production and traditional artisanal ovens: the ability to control everything from farm to factory, ensuring consistent quality and the highest level of food safety. As soon as the meat is sorted and transferred from the slaughterhouse to the processing area, the sausage-making journey begins. Lean pork, mainly shoulder meat, rump meat, or sometimes a little belly fat, is fed into the coarse grinding system. Large chunks of meat weighing tens of kilograms are cut into small pieces by automatic cutters, then fed into an industrial grinder at speeds of up to thousands of revolutions per minute. The grinder will grind the meat into fine fibers, and the fineness can be adjusted depending on the type of sausage, from sterilized sausages. Smoked sausages, instant sausages to German-style grilled sausages. During the grinding process, the automatic system also adds cold water or crushed ice to ensure that the mixture temperature is always below the allowable level. helping to preserve the meat best and keep the texture soft for the final product. Next is the seasoning step, the soul of each sausage. The seasoning formula can vary depending on the brand and regional taste. But usually includes salt, sugar, pepper, garlic, nutmeg, mustard powder, paprika, sometimes adding artificial smoke flavor or collagen powder to create toughness. The industrial mixer operates in a closed environment, mixing the ground meat and seasoning mixture evenly in a large antibacterial tank. Some high-end product lines also use a vacuum mixer to remove air bubbles, helping the sausage to have high uniformity and not be pitted when cooking. Once mixed, the mixture is fed into the sausage stuffer, one of the most important pieces of equipment in the chain. This is where the sausages are shaped, put into casings and formed into uniform pieces at breakneck speed. Sausage casings are also carefully selected. In the past, casings were mainly made from cleaned pig intestines. But now most factories use collagen or artificial cellulose casings, cleaner, more durable. Easier to handle and more hygienic. The stuffer will pump the meat mixture into the casings, then cut them into precise pieces thanks to an automatic sensor system. Every minute, up to thousands of sausages can be shaped and dropped onto a moving conveyor belt. The next steps include hanging the sausages on a stainless steel frame, moving them into a steaming chamber or a smoking chamber depending on the type of product. For smoked sausages, like the familiar hot dog, the sausages will be hung in a modern smoking oven. Here, the temperature humidity and smoking time are precisely programmed. Oak, apple or maple wood are often used for smoking, creating a distinctive flavor. Each batch of smoking can last from 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the thickness and type of sausage casing. As for sterilized sausages, after shaping, they will be cooked with steam or hot water at a temperature of 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, ensuring sterilization while still retaining the natural flavor. This is an extremely important step in ensuring food safety. Immediately after cooking, sausages need to be cooled quickly to prevent bacteria from growing. Therefore, the rapid cooling chamber will immediately receive the sausages just out of the oven. Reducing the temperature from 80 degrees Celsius to below 10 degrees Celsius within a few minutes. Some factories also use a cooling system with salt water ice or go-to cold air to ensure optimal cooling speed. Once the sausages have cooled completely, the next step is automatic quality control. Industrial cameras scan each sausage, checking for shape, color, length, cracks or manufacturing defects. Defective products will be removed from the line. Then comes the automatic packaging stage. Depending on the market, sausages can be packaged individually, in blister packs of 5 to 10 sausages, or in large bags of 1 to 2 kilograms. The packaging can be vacuum-sealed nylon, nitrogen-filled bags or paper boxes pre-printed with the production date. expiration date and QR barcode for traceability before being transported. The sausages will be brought to the central cold storage, where the temperature is always maintained at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius to preserve the product. The warehouse robot system will automatically pick up each tray of goods, arrange them according to the order and put them on the refrigerated truck for export. The entire process, from raw meat to neatly packaged sausages, takes less than 4 hours. And the entire line can operate 24/7, producing more than 1 million sausages a day.